Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to make a Minecraft skin. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to minecraftskins.com. From here, click on Editor. You can make your Minecraft skin here. Here are many tools to edit the skin. After editing the skin, you can download it. You can also check out the latest section for new skins made by others. You can download this for private server. And use the link for public server. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.